everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine. Now my friends, in this video I'm talking about the Harmony 1 emergency update. My friends, never miss this update. If you miss, so you will be lost. And if you watch this video completely and you understand, so my friends, there's a lot of chances to you get a profit from a Harmony 1 coin. In this video, first of all, we discuss the latest price update of the Harmony, and after that we discuss that what will be the next target, next move of Harmony are coming soon. First of all, I request everyone to please click the subscribe button and also like this video for more this kind of news and important videos, my friends. At this time, the latest price of the Harmony in the market is 0.089246 USD dollar. That is the USD dollar price of the Harmony 1 in the market. And on the other side, there's another good news for all Harmony holders, that now at this time the cryptocurrencies start pumping, and especially the Harmony start pumping, my friends. The last 1 hour, last 1 day, the whole changes in this time in the Harmony is going positive. And personally, I'm very happy to see this kind of positive change occur in the Harmony, that 1 hour and 1 day, the both changes is positive. Only the last 1 week pricing is negative, my friends. But my friends, with the passage of time, the price change occur in the last 1 week will become positive. You have to wait, my friends. If you wait, so there is a chance to the price positive, and if you decide to sell, so nothing you will get, my friends. Let's see the price chart and try to detect the next move, next target of the Harmony. Wow, my friends, that's another good news for all Harmony holders. From the price chart, you also understand that what's going on next in a Harmony. Just guess, my friends, what will be the next move in a Harmony? Tell me in the comment box. Just guess the next target, the next move of Harmony. Tell me in the comment box. My friends, at this time the price chart tells us that now in the last day, that is the last 1 day price chart which I circle, they take a quick jump. So this means that Harmony 1 coin have an idea, have a plan to they take a quick jump, my friends. To they take a quick jump. And my prediction is also going positive about Harmony, and I also tell you in many videos that Harmony will easily going to hit a 0.50 USD dollar in this month. Easily they can hit a 0.50 USD dollar in this month. So what do you think? Tell me in the comment box, and what is your opinion? Also tell me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.